Big breaking news coming in as far as the news from the United States of America is concerned. Let's just put out those visuals for you. We are being told that the ship, the merchant vessel that crashed into this bridge that you're seeing on your screens, this was being manned by an all-Indian crew. So all crew members aboard were Indian, and we are being told that all of them are safe and accounted for. There are massive search and rescue operations underway as we speak. 7 people are feared missing after the bridge collapse. Let me go straight across to Sneha as we continue to see these visuals. Sneha, it seems that the merchant vessel was carrying an all-India crew. Do we know how many of them were there and if all of them have been accounted for? Any more details that you're picking up?
Shreya, just a couple of things. In fact, one of the leaders, one of the governors there has just gone ahead and addressed a press conference. So one thing that's emerging and that's important is the official there has mentioned that the ship did give a distress signal. And that's very important because that distress signal then would have also acted as a warning possibly for other locals and vessels or even other vehicles that would have been moving on the bridge. So that's an important development, that a distress signal was given by that vessel. We do not know how before, but of course the vessel had good speed is what is being told. Second point, the Synergy Marine Group has put it out very clearly that there were 22 crew members on board that particular vessel. All 22 Indian crew members, all of them were Indians, and they have been accounted for. No injuries have been reported from the crew members' perspective or the crew members' side is what the Synergy Marine Group has put in place as well. Now, what really unfolded? How did this incident happen? This is still being probed. This, of course, will involve several angles and several officials. The fourth important point is that there are 6 people who are still unaccounted for in terms of those who had fallen into that particular river. It's no longer 7. There were 2 more people who were retrieved or who were rescued, whose bodies were found over the last few hours. So 6 who are still unaccounted for. So these are the developments that are still emerging. But the big question, how did this happen? That's not known yet. Also, this particular ship or this particular cargo vessel that we are talking about, that's not the first such incident. There's also been a 2016 incident linked to this ship as well. Of course, not to this magnitude. That also needs to be seen, Shreya.
All right, Sneha, so it's a developing story. There are regular updates that are coming in as far as, people who have died in the incident are concerned, as far as the death toll is concerned, and as far as the search and rescue operations are concerned. We leave it there for the moment, Sneha. Thank you very much for joining us.